For this travel vlog, I'm going to take a look at the Race City Amusement Park located in Panama City Beach, Florida. I really do enjoy going to Panama City Beach, Florida. It really is a great little beach town. As someone who's vacationed in this area for decades, I can tell you, one of my favorite attractions that used to be here in Panama City was the Miracle Strip. That was a great little amusement park, and it had the first wooden roller coaster here in Florida called the Starliner. That coaster was amazing, and it was a huge loss when they tore it down. Race City is probably the spiritual successor to the Miracle Strip Amusement Park. It's not as good as the Miracle Strip, but at least there is a roller coaster here, even if it's just like an off-the-shelf Windstorm. I will give Race City some credit. This is the only major roller coaster here in Panama City Beach, Florida. After the loss of the Starliner, they are trying, but at the end of the day, I mean, the Starliner was a custom-built John Allen out and back wooden roller coaster, and there's only one of those out there, and I've been on these Windstorms before. They're okay. If you're riding on the right-hand side of the car, basically hanging out of the car, because the thing leans so crazy in the turns that I mean, it is kind of exciting, so I will give it some props. For a small steel compact roller coaster like this one, it is a heck of a lot of fun. They've got some decent Go Kart tracks too, but most of the other rides are just, you know, straight flat rides from carnivals, and it's debatable whether some of them are worth the price of admission or not. I think the log flume was pretty good though. They also have an arcade here, but it's also a mixed bag. There are certainly better arcades here in Panama City like Funland and Dave & Buster's, but if you're already here and enjoying the roller coaster and the log flume and the go-karts, then the arcade probably makes sense. As for the cost of the amusement rides, you can buy individual ride passes for like the roller coaster and the flume, or you can get the unlimited armband. The unlimited armband runs about $54, and I think that's kind of high considering these are just carny rides. There are full-blown theme parks that have lower admission prices, so to have this kind of parking lot full of carny rides charging $54 seems, it's a little rich, but I get it. Florida's kind of expensive now, so I guess those prices do fit the Florida economy. Race City also has a lack of competition here in Panama City Beach. There are other local attractions here in Panama City that have go-karts or mini golf, but Race City is pretty much the only one that has all the amusement rides. So what's my bottom line for Race City? Well, it's the only place in Panama City you're going to be able to ride a full-size roller coaster. Would I recommend Race City? I don't think so. I'm just going to say it's a typical family entertainment center. Nothing to call home about. It could be a lot better than it is. If they had some landscaping and maybe some brick pavers in the pathways, I'd probably feel differently about it. It just right now feels like a cobbled together parking lot of carnival rides, and it's just not very impressive, to be honest. I think some of the other go-kart tracks like the Cobra Venture Park are better executed, even if they have less rides and attractions. I mean, if you're looking to, you know, waste an hour or two in Panama City, I'm sure there's worse things you could do, like smoking a crack pipe, but I think I feel a little disappointed. I mean, I spent $12 to ride the roller coaster, and it only went around one time, and that ride is over before you even know it. 70-second ride. And it's not like there was anyone in line waiting to get on the ride after us, so it wouldn't have killed them to send us around a second time. But that roller coaster ride kind of sums up the rest of the experience of this park. In one word, underwhelming. Thanks for watching this episode of The Adventure Schmuck. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See everyone next week.